Building a professional brand? Your Instagram bio is literally your digital storefront. Let's optimize it.
Okay, let's dive into this. Is your current profile actually confusing visitors and losing you valuable clients? You get exactly 150 characters. That's shorter than an old-school tweet to pitch your entire professional value.
Here's a quick 6-step playbook to turn that basic profile into a high-converting landing page. First up, clarity wins. Visitors need to instantly get your niche, like digital creator, right away. Next, sell your value. What specific problem do you solve for your audience? State that super clearly.
Don't be afraid of emojis. Kept professional, they break up text and naturally guide the reader's eye.
So the crucial point is, never leave them guessing. A service-based call to action tells visitors exactly what to do.
Then drop your website link right below that CTA. This funnels that vital traffic straight to your platforms.
Check this out. For tech creators, pairing your exact expertise with a subscribe prompt is pure gold.
For service businesses, listing exactly what you offer and pushing traffic to DMs is a lead gen machine.
But watch out for conversion killers. Giant paragraphs, missing CTAs, or weird fonts totally wreck your credibility. Your bio is your digital handshake. If a major client visits today, are they shaking hands or walking?
अगर ये जानकारी पसंद आए तो चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें और बेल आइकन जरूर दबाएं।